welcome to the vlog. So right now I'm actually going to get my lashes done. It is, where's my, oh, you guys, I was about to say, where's my phone? Yeah, so right now I'm actually headed to my lash appointment, and I'm very excited because I haven't had my lashes done in probably like 2 months. I've really just been letting them, you know, chill. And I do that periodically because I don't know, I just feel like it's necessary sometimes. It's in my lash appointment right now. It is 9:30. My lash appointment isn't supposed to be until 10:15, but my lash tech texted me this morning and asked if I wanted to come in early. When she first, oh my god, I'm so sorry you guys about the shakiness. I need to get a tripod that's like, oh my gosh, this is just embarrassing. Me this morning, she's like, oh hey beautiful, and my heart dropped. I thought that she was gonna cancel my freaking appointment, and I'm like, please don't do this to me. I have vacay next week. I want to go and look really cute. So I'm just doing everything in this vlog. This is gonna be my little mini maintenance vlog where I'm getting my my lashes, my nails, and my hair, honey. You guys, my hair is looking crazy right now. Then we're gonna do hair and then nails. Look at my nails, you guys. I'm actually ashamed to show you guys my nails. They look a mess. They're super grown out, and then I lost one. So because they're getting so long, they're actually like lifting a little bit. They're lifting a little bit, and this one kept like snagging on everything, so I just took it off. I'm like, you know what, I don't even care at this point. I was gonna pop them all off, but I was able to get an appointment. Yeah, you guys, so I just wanted to let you guys know what's happening in this vlog. So yeah, just basically come with me to get my lashes, my nails, and my hair done, and might add a little bit extra too because I don't want it to be too short. Look at my hair, you guys. My hair is a hot mess. I just blew it out last night. So anyway, I'm gonna go to my nail appointment now. Hopefully she's able to see me, and then I'll just go to my my hair appointment at 3. So basically I'm just swapping the appointments. I just blew my hair out last night, you guys. I washed it, conditioned, deep conditioned, did a hot oil treatment. My hair just feels so soft and like very moisturized, but I'm gonna put it back into a ponytail. I just want to show you guys my hair. If they don't get out my way, it normally takes about an hour to complete, because I'm supposed to be having a picnic also today in Austin, which is like an hour away from me, which will be a separate video. My lashes did come out really, really cute. And she actually let me record in there. She put it on her little tripod stand, so it was like an overhead view. Let me grab my AirPods. I have them charging. Let's go. Hopefully she's available. Hopefully. Okay guys, so these are my nails. Super cute. I absolutely love them. I'm going to insert a picture of what I wanted versus what I got, because she did the little flower design a little bit different than what I thought she would do. But yeah, and then this is my other hand. Super cute. I've been loving this almond shape, so I decided to stick with it. But yeah, my nails are so freaking adorable. So cute. I'm gonna do it.
When we saw the daughter this morning, I believe.
Girl, it's these freaking fake baby hair for me.